Hey folks, it's Dave from Outdoors, Dave and Brent. Making a new video on a new lake. Let's see what kind of luck I have. Oh, there's another one. Let's see if it jumps. Woo! Even these little bass have a good fight. Oh, that's a bit bigger than the first one. All right, just keep getting bigger every fish here. I switched the Mr. Twister up here because the last guy kind of pushed the hook around. But all right, well, it's a beautiful fish. Let him go. Switched it up to this little lure here. Still got a jig head on it though. Oh, someone was on that one. Nothing big, but lots of fish hitting tonight. I'd like to catch a big pickerel tonight. That's kind of my goal here the rest of the night. It's only 5:30, but I'm hoping I can get a pickerel along the coast, along the shore. Not the coast, we're on a lake. I don't know what they'll go after, but I'm gonna go back to the Mr. Twister here. That seemed to work at the beginning. I'm kind of back to where I started. I didn't want to get, I was kind of getting sick of getting blown around. Well, it's been about an hour since my last fish. I was gonna leave, but I've got it in my head that I'm gonna catch one more before I leave. I have to catch one more. So I'm not leaving until I bring in that last one. There's another rock. All right. Should we get the GoPro on right or not? Oh, there we go. That's what I was waiting on. Knew I wasn't leaving for a reason. Oh, get him in the boat. Get him in the boat. Get him in the boat. Come on, big boy. Yes! Finally. Ha ha. Oh, you don't jump out. Wow, look at that. He can almost get himself back in the water. Whoa.